Warning: the technology behind baby diapers is more amazing than you think. Did you know that over 20 billion baby diapers are sold in the US each year? Each designed with incredibly advanced technology? Curious about how these essential items are made? Watch this video until the end, and Captain Discovery will reveal the secrets behind the massive diaper industry. What helps giants like Pampers and Huggies dominate the market? How do they achieve outstanding waterproof properties? Discover all this and more in our exploration of modern diaper production. Don't miss out! Subscribe now and join Captain Discovery's journey! Imagine you're living at the end of the 19th century, when cloth diapers were the standard for childcare. Maria Allen, a busy mother, looked at the thick cotton fabric and thought, why not mass-produce these? So she began mass-producing cloth diapers, freeing mothers from the need to sew each one themselves. However, when World War II broke out, women were drawn into industrial jobs, leaving them with no time to spend hours washing diapers. This created a demand for a new solution in baby care. In Sweden, amidst the cotton shortage, a group of inventors came up with the idea of making disposable diapers from cellulose sheets. Simple, effective, and time-saving. Meanwhile, in the US, Marian Donovan, a mother exhausted by sleepless nights due to leaky diapers, used a shower curtain to create the first waterproof diaper cover. This idea was sold for $1 million in the 1950s. Not bad for an invention born from a sleepless night. In the 1960s, the game changed with the launch of Pampers by Procter & Gamble, followed by Kimberly-Clark's Kimbees in 1968. But it was Huggies, introduced in 1978, that truly revolutionized the diaper market, quickly becoming the leading brand. By the 1980s, elastic bands and an even better fit turned diapers into superheroes for parents. Today, Huggies and Pampers remain the top-selling disposable diaper brands in the US, continually innovating and conquering the global market. The journey of disposable diapers, from Maria Allen's initiative to Marian Donovan's invention and modern advancements, truly is a revolutionary tale. Cloth diapers were once a nightmare of endless washing, but now, disposable diapers have become a lifesaver, freeing parents from the burden of laundry and sleepless nights. Ready to see how they're made? Let's dive in! Our journey begins in the raw materials section of the factory, a bustling area where the foundations of each diaper are laid. Here we find large rolls of pre-processed materials including cotton and pine wood pulp, ready to be assembled into the diaper's absorbent core. The materials arrive in large spools, already processed and prepared. These pre-processed materials are unrolled and fed directly into the production line, ensuring each diaper meets the high standards set by the factory. With the layers of pre-processed materials laid out, we now move on to form the absorbent core, the heart of every diaper. In this step, sodium polyacrylate, a superabsorbent polymer, is introduced to the layers. The polymer is evenly distributed across the fabric, bonding with the pre-processed wood pulp layer. This combination is key to the diaper's ability to absorb and lock in moisture. The machinery carefully presses these layers together, ensuring that the polymer and pulp form a cohesive, absorbent sheet. This sheet will serve as the main barrier against leaks, providing protection and comfort. The continuous process of pressing and bonding guarantees that each diaper core meets strict quality standards and is ready for the final stages of assembly. Have you ever wondered why major diaper brands like Pampers and Huggies stand out? Even though their basic ingredients seem similar. Although they all use pine wood pulp, superabsorbent polymer, and cotton, What sets their products apart? The answer lies in how they optimize technology and design. Leading brands continuously refine their ingredient ratios, develop leak-proof features, and incorporate breathable technology to create diapers that not only offer superior absorbency, but also maximum comfort for your baby. Discovery Challenge. What's your baby's favorite diaper brand? Share your answer in the comments below the video and see which brand is the most popular. After the absorbent core is ready, we move to the shaping and assembly area, where the diaper will be completed. Here, large rolls of soft, breathable, non-woven fabric are unrolled and cut to the appropriate size. This fabric is crucial because it ensures the diaper remains comfortable and allows the baby's skin to stay dry. Next, the absorbent core is placed between the pre-cut layers of fabric. Then, adhesive is applied to bond the layers together. Once the layers are securely bonded, heat is applied to ensure they stick together firmly, creating a strong and reliable diaper. Finally, the diaper goes through the shaping process. It is cut into its final shape, with important features like leg openings and waistbands. Advanced machinery ensures that every cut is precise, and each diaper has a consistent design. Discovery Challenge. What key feature is added to ensure the diaper fits comfortably? A. Extra layers of fabric. B. Shaping and molding. C. Added fragrances. Let us know your answer in the comments below the video. Next, we move into the quality control area, where the focus is on ensuring each diaper meets strict standards. Here, advanced computer systems and manual inspections work together to maintain high quality. Diapers undergo rigorous testing for absorbency, fit, and comfort. Each product is carefully inspected for defects. Advanced machinery quickly identifies and removes defective products from the line, ensuring that only the best diapers make it to the packaging stage. The thoroughness of the quality checks reflects the commitment to delivering a reliable and effective product. Can you guess where the defective diapers go? With the diapers passing all quality checks, they move on to the final stage, packaging and distribution. In this crucial phase, the diapers are carefully packed into boxes using automated machinery. Each box is labeled with product information and quality assurance codes to ensure traceability. Once packaged, the boxes are prepared for distribution. They are loaded onto trucks or shipping containers and transported to various distribution centers. Here, they are stored until they reach retailers or are shipped directly to consumers. As with many modern conveniences, diaper manufacturing has its environmental footprint. Disposable diapers contribute to landfill waste due to their non-biodegradable materials. However, many companies are working towards more sustainable practices, such as using biodegradable materials and improving recycling processes. Thank you for joining us in exploring the production process of diapers. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.